You want to find out if the Ponios are as good as all of the advertisers and all of the people trying it are saying? Here is my honest everyday woman's review. If this is a go for people with really big hair. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal and I talk about all things that make our lives more beautiful, more amazing, more fabulous after 30. So I don't know about you, but I have seen so many things all over Facebook, all over the internet about the Ponios. I am all about really big hair. I love crazy styles, and whenever I seen this, I was like, I wonder if that actually works the way they say it does. I did look up some YouTube videos, but not a lot of the girls had the same kind of hair as mine, and I think I'm pretty creative when it comes to making really messy, crazy, cute styles. A lot of them that were on the website I thought looked really adorable, so I wanted to see what all this hype was about. So I ordered it. I haven't even opened it yet, so you're doing it with me. I'm excited. Oh, okay. So it comes with a little bit of a instruction pamphlet. I did kind of look up some ways to use it, but it all comes down to, is it easy? Does it look good? And does it really stay as good as they say? So it's interesting. They're kind of like they're hard and kind of bendy. So I'm really curious as to how this is gonna go. I honestly don't know if this is gonna be a complete train wreck, so don't judge me. Okay, so first things first, I left my hair up in a little clip. I am going to move my camera up a little bit so that you can see better. Okay, so hopefully you can see better. So I got the size extra large, which that's about what that looks like. And then I just got their standard size, which I supposedly you can use kind of in the half up what I just had. So let's try that first. I'm just gonna grab my hair. And I'm gonna try the standard size first. Oh, it's weird because you can't really bend it. And then I'm gonna push it down. And then flatten it. Okay, so there is one. This is just with my sides up. And I mean, I like the height that it gives. I'll turn around so you can see. It is cute. It holds really well. So it's okay. I think it would be neat if it was a little bit more messy, you know, to go like that, and you could put a little clip up, right up in there, but I'm actually fairly impressed with this hairstyle. I think it's pretty cute. And you can pull the hair out, which is important. I mean, it's a tight hold. I'm actually, after watching some of the reviews, I didn't think I would really like it, but for my hair and like wavy curly hair, I think it would stay really, really well. So now let's try like a ponytail. That's nice. It didn't pull out any of my hair. Like, that's really cool. So this is the bigger one. Now this one I'm a little bit more nervous about just because my hair is really textured and I don't know how easy it is going to be to get it in this. But I'm gonna go for like more of like a high pebbles type of look. So I'm gonna grab all of my hair. It doesn't feel natural, I will say that, to be not using like a regular binder. Doesn't mean I'm opposed to it, but all right, so now I have it like this. I'm gonna smush down and then curve it. Okay. I don't like how this is so wide right here, so I'm going to try and fix that. There. Okay, so that's better. So it is pretty high up. I could do even higher if I wanted. And I'll turn around so you can see this one. But I do know it would be nice to run in this because I don't feel like it's going anywhere. So I'm gonna do a head banging test to try. Okay, I'm a little dizzy from that, but it's still in there, you guys. So I would say it holds really well. I like how I can get it high. I do feel like some of this isn't held as tight as it normally would, but I think with time and practice, you would keep getting better and better with it. Okay, so now let's try another one. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna style my hair in a way that I would do it with like a regular ponytail, but I'm gonna see what else I can do with this bad boy. Okay. The test is if I can keep things volume up top with a ponytail or if it's gonna just pull it right back. That I don't know. Because I like things hanging down in the front. So that's kind of the test for me. And I'm gonna go back in with the size smaller than the extra large. That's made for just your sides up. So it did do a pretty decent job. See, the thing I was testing is if you can still have bumps and lumps and you can still have volume on top, and you can. You just have to keep it out, and you are able to pull out, so that is really awesome. I'm gonna give this an A. If I had to give it a grade. I'm genuinely and pleasantly surprised. I didn't think that I would love it as much as I do, but I'm gonna look at some of their other products because I think they have like little jewels and stuff now that you can put over the band to decorate it so it doesn't just look like a regular band. So I'm gonna check those out. Okay, so if you enjoyed this tutorial and you want to see more things like this, leave a comment below, and I'd love to be your guinea pig and try out whatever you've seen and wanna know if it works good. I am newer to YouTube, but you're not gonna wanna miss my upcoming videos because I have a lot of really fun things planned. So please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.